like a tale told round a fire. Here at Great Wolf Lodge, we celebrate the close of each day with a story. Stories bring us together. They remind us of who we are, and they help us make sense of the world around us. To summon the legends of Great Wolf, we must howl and add our voices to the pack. On the count of 3, let's howl, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think we can do better than that. Don't you think so? Let's try again. Okay, howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. I see now. It takes all of us to summon the magic. So let's give it one last try, but this time we all must howl together. Are you ready for the biggest howl ever? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, did anything happen? I think it worked.
Violet? It's a beautiful night. Why aren't you out and about?
I don't feel like it, I guess.
But you love running and jumping and playing in the snow.
Grandma, what's that?
This, Violet, is a moonstone. It's very special.
Why have I never seen it before?
Perhaps it wasn't time to find it yet.
It's beautiful. Why do you wear it?
It reminds me that I belong.
But you've always belonged.
Oh my goodness. Now when I was young, I thought I'd never fit in.
Really?
It's true. And I worried about it a good bit. But then one day my grandmother told me a story that her grandmother told her about a wolf named Luna who longed to belong, just like me. Come on, snuggle up. I know you're not a little girl anymore.
I still love your stories by the fire.
All right then. This is the legend of Luna, the wolf who longed to belong. Long ago, all wolves had the same heart. But there came a day when a different kind of wolf was born. Instead of shades of mottled brown and gray, she was a pale, snowy white. And her voice was different too. They called her Luna, for she was as bright as the moon. Even her eyes were unusual. They shone bright blue. In these ways, she was very different from the other wolves. And as Luna grew, she felt different, and often chose to be alone.
Is this a sad story?
Some of it is sad, but if you have the courage to listen, then you will discover Luna's joy. Luna's only moments of belonging came with the grandmother. The grandmother was the wise one of the pack. She taught them all the ways of the great wolf. Of all the wolves in the pack, Luna felt most herself with the grandmother. Grandmother, what if my fur never grows spindle brown like the others? Luna would ask. Then I shall be grateful I can see you in the night, without even the moon's bright light. But grandmother, what if my voice never grows into a long, low howl like the others? Then I shall be happy I can hear you cry and know it is you. But grandmother, what if I never belong? Then I shall wait until you find the courage to be yourself. Then you will find your place. One night, Luna begged to go on the full moon hunt. But the pack leader said, "Your fur is too bright, Luna. It will shine like the moon." "Perhaps I can be a lookout and alert the pack with a howl." But the pack leader said, "Your voice is too different, Luna. It will confuse the other wolves." Many nights passed. There came a time when days of rain and moonless nights had kept the pack from hunting well. The new cubs were hungry. The hunt would be hard without a moon. Luna saw the grandmother slip away. Luna followed her into the woods, to the darkest part of the forest, where the trees grew so thick they blacked out the sky. Just when she thought they could go no further, the trees held back their arms. And there before her was the largest moonstone Luna had ever seen. Luna crept from the shadows. The moonstone's magic had changed the moon. Perhaps it could change her, too. "I will never be long," Luna whispered. Was not enough to make her feel welcomed. There came a night when the pack went hunting, as always without Luna. A huge storm, heavy with snow, woke her. A great blizzard had come so quickly that it had swallowed the night whole. Mother's owl and raced to the den. Only to learn that the pack was lost in the snow. Their howl was indistinguishable from the howl of the storm. "I will stay with the cubs," the grandmother said. "Who will help the pack?" said Luna. "You will," said the grandmother. And so the legend goes that the white wolf with a song for a voice ran into the storm. She was swift, and her pale blue eyes could see through the snow where ordinary eyes could not, and she knew just where to go. Luna found her courage and threw her voice to the sky. Without stopping until every wolf returned home. And as Luna descended the hill, for the first time, she loved all the things that made her different. The grandmother turned to the pack and spoke. It was Luna's unique voice that brought you home tonight. Her courage to sing her own song has shown us that our differences make us stronger. From this day forward, may we howl not alone, but in harmony. Until that night, the wolves hadn't known that they each had their own voice. But the courage of Luna to sing her own song
helped them find their own voice.
Indeed. And like Luna, you are starting to find your courage and confidence too.
Really?
Yes. And I'm very proud of you. According to family legend, this is the moonstone that Luna wore, handed down to me when I was young. Would you like to have it for your own?
Oh, I would love that. Is there magic in it?
No, there is no magic in the stone. The magic is in you. The stone is just here to remind you. No matter where you go in the world, Violet, remember that like Luna, you can use your courage to find your way.
Thanks, Grandma.
Before you fall asleep tonight, tell each other what makes you unique. For like Luna has shown us, it's our special gifts that help strengthen the pack. May your dreams be full of wonder and your tomorrows be full of play.